Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Go. If you're looking for a solid and feature-packed crypto exchange to trade on, today we're diving into Bybit, one of the top exchanges in 2025. Let's break down everything you need to know, from its features to its pros and cons, to help you decide if Bybit is the right platform for your trading journey. What is Bybit? Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange that was launched in 2018. It quickly became one of the leading exchanges, thanks to its user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and the variety of features it offers. Bybit focuses heavily on derivatives trading like futures and perpetual contracts, but also offers spot trading for those looking to buy and sell crypto directly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Bybit caters to both with its intuitive interface and advanced trading tools. Key features of Bybit 1. User interface and experience. Bybit's platform is designed to be clean and intuitive. For beginners, it's easy to navigate with a straightforward design while still offering advanced tools for experienced traders. Whether you're trading on the desktop or mobile app, the platform runs smoothly and doesn't feel cluttered. I've personally found it really easy to get started, and the layout makes it simple to manage orders, view charts, and track market data. 2. Range of trading options. Bybit offers a wide range of trading products, including spot trading, buying and selling cryptocurrencies directly; derivatives trading, including futures and perpetual contracts with leverage up to 100x on certain markets. This can be a double-edged sword since leverage increases both potential profits and risks. Staking. You can stake coins like Ethereum 2.0 and Polkadot to earn passive income, which is a great option if you plan to hold your crypto long-term. Third, security is a top priority for Bybit, and they do a great job of keeping your funds safe. They use industry-standard security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of funds, and frequent security audits. But as with any exchange, it's important to always use extra caution with your funds, as no platform is 100% immune to hacks. Fourth, customer support. Bybit has earned a solid reputation for customer support. They offer 24/7 support through live chat and email, and in my experience, their team is responsive and knowledgeable. Of course, during high traffic times or special events, response times might be a bit slower, but generally they handle issues promptly. Fees. Bybit is known for its transparent fee structure, which is very competitive. Spot trading fees, 0.1% for both maker and taker. Futures trading fees. Makers can actually get a small rebate, while takers are charged a 0.075% fee. Bybit also offers periodic promotions and discounts, so you can reduce your fees further. In general, their fees are in line with the industry average, making it an attractive platform for traders. Pros of Bybit. 1. High liquidity and fast execution. One of the biggest advantages of Bybit is its high liquidity, which means your trades will execute quickly, even for larger orders. This is especially important if you're an active trader or need to make trades at specific price points. You won't have to worry about delays when entering or exiting positions. 2. Advanced trading features. For experienced traders, Bybit offers a full suite of tools. The ability to trade with up to 100x leverage on some pairs, plus a variety of order types and advanced charting options, makes Bybit a powerhouse for anyone looking to implement complex trading strategies. 3. Staking for passive income. Bybit's staking feature is a great way to earn passive income from your crypto holdings. By staking assets like Ethereum 2.0 or Polkadot, you can receive rewards over time. It's an added bonus for those looking to grow their portfolio without actively trading. Fourth, competitive fees. The fees on Bybit are competitive and fairly low compared to other exchanges. The fee structure is clear and easy to understand, so you won't be surprised by hidden charges. They also have occasional promotions that further reduce fees, which is always a nice touch. 5. Great mobile app. The Bybit mobile app is another huge win. It's well designed, allowing you to trade and monitor your portfolio seamlessly on the go. I've used it myself, and it's been reliable even during market volatility. Cons of Bybit. 1. Limited fiat-to-crypto options. One downside of Bybit is that it doesn't support as many fiat-to-crypto trading pairs as other exchanges. If you're looking to deposit USD, EUR, or other fiat currencies directly, you might need to use third-party services to fund your account. For beginners, this can add a layer of complexity to getting started. 2. Restricted in some countries. Bybit is restricted in certain countries, including the US and some European regions. If you live in one of these countries, you won't be able to use Bybit directly, which is something to keep in mind before signing up. 3. Customer support can be slow during high traffic. While Bybit's support team is generally responsive, during peak times, especially during major market events, the support team can get overwhelmed, leading to slower response times. It's something to be aware of if you need immediate assistance. Final thoughts. In conclusion, Bybit is a solid choice for crypto traders, especially if you're into advanced trading strategies like using leverage or trading derivatives. It offers a sleek, user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and a solid range of features for both beginners and pro traders. However, it may not be the best fit for those looking for easy fiat deposits or those in restricted regions. If you found this review helpful and want to give Bybit a try, make sure to use the links below to sign up and take advantage of any special offers available. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more crypto tips and reviews from CryptoGo. Thanks for watching and happy trading.